Why do eminent acharyas interpreting the same Vedas come to such different conclusions on what moksha is? Do we need a guru for moksha?
All right, why are there so many views of moksha? Actually, I gave a talk to this group. That subject was moksha and the six systems of Indian philosophy. So the multiple views of liberation. All the religions of the world, the theologies of the world, they express it in different ways. Here, Sri Ramakrishna is very useful here, because his view is that all of these were enlightened people. In contrast to the earlier efforts of trying to establish my school versus other schools, or my religion versus other religions. One approach was mine alone. I clearly have the truth because I'm enlightened. I see the truth. You guys are saying something different, so you can't be enlightened. You're false. This was the approach. And then led to fights and clash. Or it led to kind of superiority, that you have got a little bit of the truth, I admit it, but I've got the whole truth. Whereas the core idea of the Vedas, it's right there. Truth is one, the sages call it variously. That's the answer to the question. Sri Ramakrishna also says that they are all enlightened, but they saw it differently as that aspect of the infinite which they realized, that part of the elephant which they touched. The story of the 5 blind men and the elephant. They all touched the elephant. Some said the elephant is a pillar that touched the leg. Some said the elephant is like a long pipe that touched the trunk. They said elephant is a rope that touched the tail. Elephant is a big fan that touched the ear. That was one irritated elephant, I can tell you. So that's why the different philosophies have conceived of moksha in different ways. But there are some commonalities. They are all beyond suffering, for example. It works. Yeah. Do we need a guru? Highly recommended.